Understanding coarse adjustment in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, coarse adjustment. This term may sound a bit technical, but it's used in various contexts. Understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension skills in English. Let's get started. Coarse adjustment refers to making broad, general changes to something before fine-tuning it. The word coarse implies something not detailed or precise, while adjustment means a small change made to achieve a desired fit, appearance, or result. This phrase is often used in technical and scientific contexts, like microscopy, where one first uses the coarse adjustment knob to bring an object into general focus before using fine adjustment for a clearer image. However, it's also applicable in everyday situations, like planning a project or setting goals. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. In cooking, when you're seasoning a dish, you might first add a large amount of salt or spices. That's the coarse adjustment. Later, you taste and add tiny amounts to perfect the flavor. 2. In project planning, at the beginning of a project, you make a basic outline of the tasks. This is your coarse adjustment. As the project progresses, you add details and make minor changes. 3. In learning a new skill, when you start learning, say, a musical instrument, your initial steps are broad and general, like getting familiar with the instrument. These are your coarse adjustments. Understanding the concept of coarse adjustment is beneficial for several reasons. It helps in problem solving and task management, where you start with general steps before fine-tuning. It encourages a step-by-step approach to learning and skill development. It's a useful metaphor in personal development, reminding us to start with broad changes before focusing on specifics. And that's a wrap on coarse adjustment. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase and its applications in both technical and everyday contexts. Remember, language learning is all about understanding such nuances. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.